Hi, Iria. Happy birthday to you and wish you all the best. Sana magkaroon ka na peace of mind ngayong taon na to and full of happiness. Huwag ka masyadong magpaka-stress at enjoy your life lang.
Happy birthday, Ate Iria. Thank you sa pagiging masipag na admin. We love you so much.
Happy birthday, Iria ko. Enjoy your day. Love you, Mom.
Happy birthday, Iria. Happy birthday, Iria. Happy birthday, pamangkin. Ingat ka palagi. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Baby Iria. Sorry, nandito ako sa year ng school namin, but I want you to know that we love you very much. We appreciate your existence. And mahal na mahal ka namin mga exclusive members. Sana alam niyo.
Happy birthday, Pangkinsan. Enjoy your day. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Blackpink in your area? Happy birthday, Bebe Iria!
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much for being part of the Exclusives family and being part of the admin circle. We always got you, we always love you, and kahit saan, kahit kailan, nandito lang kami ni Ninang at ni Papa Bay. Happy birthday, Bebe!
Ano pala tayo?
Hi, my love. Happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka sa araw na ito.
Hello, sa magandang asawa. Happy birthday sa'yo. More birthday to come and ingat ka palagi. Always remember na dito lang ako palagi sa tabi mo to support you.
Happy birthday, Iria. Enjoy your day. Sana masaya ang buong araw mo ngayon. And mahal ka namin lahat. So, yun lang masasabi ko. Happy birthday ulit. Happy birthday, Ate Iria ko. Stay safe and stay healthy and stay beautiful. Huwag ka magpapawes sa sarili ha. Sorry ha, pag maingay dito, may practice po kasi kami. Happy birthday po, Ate Iria.
Happy birthday, Baby Iria. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. And more blessings to come. Nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Mahal ka namin. God bless.